Simple grammar, the clause and the phrase. See my channel on YouTube for more on grammar and American literature. The clause and the phrase. A clause has a subject-verb relationship. A phrase does not have a subject-verb relationship. Here is an example clause. He walked to town. In this example, he is our subject, walked is our verb. Here is an example phrase. Walking to town. We have something here that could be functioning as a verb, but where is the subject? Well, we don't have one. So this cannot be a clause if it does not contain both a subject and a verb. This is a phrase, not a clause. Look for subjects and verbs. Here are some example clauses. The cat ran home. This is an example of an independent clause. In other words, this clause could stand alone as a sentence, and in fact it is a simple sentence. In this next example, while the cat ran home, this is a dependent clause. It is still a clause, it still has a subject and still has a verb, the cat ran, but it is dependent because it begins with the subordinating conjunction, the word while. Here is another dependent clause, very similar, because the cat ran home. Here again we still have a subject, cat, we still have a verb, ran, but we begin this again with a subordinating conjunction, the word because, and so this must be then a dependent clause. Here are some example phrases. At the park, running home. Notice in these we do not find a subject-verb relationship. We have some words that are related to each other. They seem to fit together, but we cannot find a subject and a verb together, a subject-verb relationship, and we must have that for a clause.